Struggling to get traffic for your affiliate offers without spending a dime? Imagine turning YouTube Shorts into a traffic generating machine without ever touching a camera or ad budget. Today, I'm showing you Easy Sales Conversions, a tool that literally does the heavy lifting for you. First impressions? This tool is a game changer for beginners and anyone tired of guessing how to get traffic online. It's simple, fast, and built for results. Perfect if you've got zero experience and no list. Easy Sales Conversions is a cloud based tool designed to help affiliate marketers, newbies, and even small business owners generate free traffic using YouTube Shorts. You don't need fancy equipment, expensive ads, or a massive following. Targeted at new affiliate marketers who want results without wasting money. Solves the big objection. I don't know how to make videos or drive traffic because it automates the process from content creation to traffic. Let's dive into the dashboard. First, you'll see a step-by-step workflow. Choose your niche or product. Easy Sales Conversions generates short, engaging video templates automatically. Add your affiliate links and captions, done in minutes. Schedule your shorts directly or download them for posting. The interface is clean, simple, and beginner-friendly. Even if you've never posted a video, you'll be up and running in under 10 minutes. There's also an optional upgrade for power users. Easy Sales Pro Pack, $47, gives you advanced analytics, additional templates, and higher automation limits. For beginners, the main version is enough to start getting traffic fast, but the Pro upgrade can take your results to the next level. And here's where it gets really exciting. I've stacked 10 exclusive bonuses to make your journey even faster. WP Slideshow Master. Create eye-catching slideshows to boost engagement. Lead Book Generator. Automate leads directly into your email list. WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers to skyrocket clicks and conversions. Conversion Equalizer. Optimize Google Ads conversions without guesswork. Action Poll. Segment your email list for higher profits. Article Analyzer. Optimize articles for better SEO traffic. Sociultima. Free social media traffic from multiple platforms. PowerList Pro. Build email lists on autopilot with pop-ups. VidCapture. Capture leads directly from videos. Affiliate System for product owners. Set up your affiliate program easily. These bonuses alone could cost hundreds, but you get them free when you grab Easy Sales Conversions today. And remember, they're only available for the first 25 buyers or 48 hours. Easy Sales Conversions is a beginner-friendly, results-driven tool that takes the guesswork out of YouTube traffic. If you act now, you also get my exclusive bonus stack. But once it's gone, it's gone. Don't wait. Click the link below to get instant access and start generating free traffic today. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more high-converting tools and marketing tips. After you grab Easy Sales Conversions, all the bonuses are delivered instantly via the download page. Don't miss out. Get started now.